people who want to cook is the availability of the ingredients. And with Jolly around, I feel less afraid to get into the kitchen and start cooking. So from a consumer like me, thank you very, very much. Now this year, as we said, it's been 20 years, and that in itself is huge, right? But man, you guys just got bigger this year because we have every reason to make it jolly as we introduce to everyone its newest celebrity endorser. Does anybody know? Yes, you do. But you're gonna get more excited in a little while. So you are going to meet the newest face for Jolly. And are you all excited to meet her? Oh my goodness. Mamaya lahat ng phones up in the sky. You won't hear a word I'm saying because, you know, the celebrity endorser you've chosen this year, it doesn't get any bigger than this. Now, to introduce our newest endorser, please welcome Fly Ace Assistant Vice President for Marketing, Miss Abby Nam Reyes.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the jolliest event of the year. I know you are as excited as I am in welcoming the newest Jolly endorser. When we started out our search for our endorser, we had one question in mind. Who has the jolliest personality among all the celebrities that we have these days? And of course, she should not only be jolly, but she has to be very comfortable in the kitchen because we know that Jolly is a staple among all Filipino kitchens, homes, culinary schools, restaurants, everywhere, all over the country. And we wanted to make sure that our endorser knows how it feels to stand in front of the kitchen table. But aside from familiarity with the kitchen, our endorser should also reflect the values that we at Fly Ace Corporation really treasure. Values such as discipline, integrity, resourcefulness, and passion. And our celebrity endorser embodies all these qualities. Even more, she is also very close to her family, like how the Fly Ace family treats one another. So when her name was proposed to us by our advertising agency Campaigns in Gray, we unanimously agreed that we have found the perfect brand endorser. We are all very jolly, as there is no one who can compare to her jolly personality, which shines especially when she is in this popular noontime show, or I'm so sure that she is the one and only perfect endorser for the Jolly brand. I know we are all very excited to meet her. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the newest face of Jolly. Is your newest endorser. Thank you. Hello po. I hope you're all having a great night.
Alright, a resounding round of applause, please, for the newest face of Jolly, Miss Maid Mendoza. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to meet you.
I'm a fan of yours.
Wait, oh my gosh.
Seryoso.
Weird, no? Because I see you everywhere. I go on the highway. I see you on. It's crazy.
Yes.
And of course, it's that jolly disposition that the reason why you've been chosen. So to officially welcome their newest celebrity endorser to the Jolly family, Fly Ace Corporation President Mr. Lucio Cochanco Jr., General Manager Mr. Ramon Daes to join us on stage. Please come up. Also together with Miss Abby Reyes as we welcome Maid to the Jolly endorser. Now, for Mr. June Bachanco Jr. first, okay? How do you feel that Jolly has reached this momentous milestone of 20 years?
2017 marks the 20 years of pioneering vision and team spirit for Jolly. I am very grateful and honored that Jolly has successfully made it this far. We are very blessed as the company's efforts have truly paid off. Indeed, the brand has come a long way to become one of the leading brands in the canned fruit and canned vegetable. We take pride in what we have done and definitely proud of what Jolly has achieved in the last 20 years and which we would like to showcase more in the next years. And of course, I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank all our big partners who supported us.
Right. I have a question for Mr. Ramon Quidez this time. Did you envision Jolly to become top-of-mind brand today with its mushroom and corn being the leaders in its categories?
Thanks for the question. When we started developing Jolly, as you heard already the corporate leader earlier, we really did not see it becoming big as it is right now. Indeed, we're very happy that it has become the icon of the Filipino households as it is right now. And I think, if we take a look back and really try and understand how it became the big brand that it is right now, it's really all about the message that the President and Mr. Chang has put behind the brand. It's all about making sure that everything that we bring out to our consumers are a product of quality and that we bring it at the most affordable price that we can make it. And the commitment of the entire Riley's Corporation together with the partners in the trade is what made Jolly what it is right now. And looking forward to many more 20 years, we're committed to make sure that Jolly becomes a leader.
Right. And that's just the first 20 years, right? All right, so for May, what are you most excited about in your role as Jolly brand ambassador? Of course, this is such a big event.
Definitely encouraging people, most especially young cooks and HRM students, kasi HRM graduate ako, in choosing the right ingredients.
Right. Well, kahit hindi young cook, kasi sabi ko kanina, I just learned how to cook, hindi na ako na. I mean, pagbago ka sa kitchen, that can be very intimidating, you know, but if you have something like this in your pantry, it kind of makes you braver to buck. So how does being a naturally happy and positive person help you in your career? Because really, when people see you, you know, you're just a very positive person. You make people happy, you know that, right?
Hindi ko pa rin alam how I do it, but yeah, I make people happy. Pero kasi being in this position, it's not really easy. Kasi people's eyes are on you, alam mo yun, parang ang hirap to maintain a positive disposition. But ako, I think you just really have to possess a positive mindset in everything you do. And siguro, kung hirap din kasi ako gawin yun so ako, I just try my best to look at the bright side of things.
Right, and you know, this is your first run in celebrity. It just came out of nowhere, so you're also just winging this, right? Alright, do you use Jolly products?
Yes. Sobrang okay ka kasi favorite ko talagang mushrooms.
Right.
So talagang ako, I use mushrooms for merienda. I eat it, lalo na kapag wala na akong work. Kapag gutom, syempre pag merienda, I eat Jolly mushrooms all the time.
Talaga? But that's really one of the things that I'm so happy that's in my pantry. I have one question for Ms. Abby. How is the Jolly brand different? Or what is the edge over other brands, or you mean over all the other competitors?
I think what sets Jolly apart as a brand is that it has, for each and every Jolly product that we have introduced in the market, we make sure that it has consistent, high quality, but sold at a very affordable price that's very reachable for the Filipino consumers. So I think that's what sets us apart. Add to that, I think over the past 20 years, we've introduced a very wide array of products that cater to the evolving consumer landscape. So that makes us very relevant to each and every home. And also, being relevant, equally important, you have to be available, right? And we are widely available in most channels, and I think that really helps set apart the Jolly brand and make us successful over the past 20 years.
Wow. All right, so this question is for everybody in the panel, okay? After 20 years of success, what is next for the Jolly brand? I guess, everyone's, celebrating 20 years, but what is ahead?
Beyond the 20th year, Flyways will continue our efforts to maintain the relevance of the brand to the consumers, for them to consistently trust the brand, and for us to continue improving what we are offering. And of course, we would like to guarantee the consistent quality, innovation of product, packaging, better value that we can give to our consumers, and of course, relevance of Jolly.
All right, well, thank you so very much, and congratulations, May, for being the face of Jolly. All right, thank you, Mr. June El Pachango, Mr. Ramon Vidal, and Miss Abby Reyes. Thank you so much.